Hello guys, in this video I will show you if you have in your phone mobile phone, like you lost your schema, you lost your code, your passcode and so on. There is some steps you can solve this issue. First, if you already this account, you remember the account that is signed in the mobile phone, which is Google, Apple or whatever, so check it and you can just bypass with it. If that's not the case, you lost your account password, you lost the schema, the key pass and so on. So it's gonna be, you need to hard reset. The hard reset, guys, is like it's always the same case, which is in Android phone. What you need to do, which is getting your let's say you have S25 Ultra, and you just type hard reset. In this case, we'll find a lot of videos like making you this video. So uh, that's the thing. After the resetting is gonna be saying for you, if you have the account and you remember the account, just type it and there you go. But in this case you lost your data, guys. That's the main issue. So if you don't have the account and you lost it, uh, be, of course if the phone it's like yours, is not like stolen one, because this video is only for education purposes. All what you need to do, which is there is the phone back model number. So in your phone, in any phone, there is a serial number in the back of the phone. You just type it, you note it, and then go, let's say, for firmware that mobile number, like I don't know it's if it is, let's say something like this. So it's gonna be like having firmwares for each country, each Android version and so on. After you download it, you need to hard reset with it, like your phone just reinstalling completely with a fresh software on it. So that's the case. So I hope those information can help you solving the main issue of yours, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Peace.